right. For me, heart hurt me. Yo, dog, right now, me say me need a surgery. For them love no worthy. It's the man me put me trust in and end up hurt me. Him end up hurt me. Yo, Shani B.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now me I talk about Silk Boss. And Silk Boss, enough people are asleep on Silk Boss, but Silk Boss is a reggae music phenomenon. Dancehall professor Dana Hope from University of the West Indies. She even weighed in on Silk Boss phenomena. She said the controversy, what happened to Silk Boss, or the man them box him up in him face and take away $1.4 million from him, has made Silk Boss a household name in Jamaica and even outside of Jamaica. It has catapulted Silk Boss music on YouTube to the #1 streaming artist for 2022 coming into 2023. And this is a fact. The controversy that surrounds Silk Boss, he took it and catapulted into money and a household name. And this is a fact by the dancehall professor, Dana. She came out and spoke about it. So what makes Silk Boss unique? What makes him unique is that he took the controversy and used it as a selling point. Now, Anthony Miller from TVJ, the interviewer, the one who interviewed Joshua and all of them, he's saying the humiliation is bad for artists. Well, the professor defended that by saying that the controversy, if the artist is smart, them can use it.
Sing the high note there again. Sing the high note there again. The high note.
And propel it into a higher status and become a household name. And that's what Silk Boss did. Now, a whole heap of people are hate upon Silk Boss, but that youth there, him a dummy. Cause I see how him step in a sting, you know, even though him not perform. But when Silk Boss come in, a whole heap of people start look upon him and like him, and enough people go up to him, and enough people respect him. Because Silk Boss, him use the controversy and turning into a household name, turn himself into a household name. And him learn quick, because if you notice, him stay away from controversy. Compare to other artists like Squash them and the other set of man them not take the controversy and take it to a next level. Them take the controversy and create more drama and more controversy and more problems for themselves. The controversy that happened to Silk Boss, enough artists would have been harmed by that. But Silk Boss, people actually see how him is and see him character, and them actually like him. Like me like him. Because him is an honest youth, him not hype, and it seems like him is for him friends them. You understand? But him learn quick. So what him do, him and Bree, him take that wave there and him turn it into something prosperous. And not many artists can do that. Cause enough artists would have been attacking and come out in a different way. But with Silk Boss though, him just stand so back and him turn it around and put out him music, address the controversy. Him never go to police. Him not talk to no police about nothing. Silk Boss didn't put out the video. The man them where take away money, put out the video and do all interview with vloggers and do all sort of interview. So Silk Boss take all of that and turn it into a positive thing. Smart youth. When Silk Boss come out with the song after them assault him, that song that trend for like months, #1 on YouTube. All of the girl them love him. And the girl them say, yo, when life knock you down, you pick up yourself and you go. And believe me, man, woman, and pitney love Silk Boss. And I like how that youth the flex. You see that youth there? They might try fight him, you know. But that youth there, him a gonna be one of the biggest reggae star in the future. Listen to what countryman say. Silk Boss, respect my youth. You're a good youth. Respect. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. But me did have to talk about Silk Boss. Cause Silk Boss there and him now gonna away and watch the youth career.